Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today, I've got a bit of 3D printing to do. Right, I haven't done much with my 3D printers since moving them into the garage. So the weather is quite bad outside, so I can't really do anything on the cars. And I'm waiting on bits and bobs to come so I can do bits in the garage. So I thought today I'll do a bit on the 3D printer, or one of them, because at the minute one of them's broke. I'm waiting on a part for that. So I just thought I'd go through a little bit. I'm still learning myself, so I just thought I'd go through a little bit. I need to make. I've got me Milwaukee batteries on the wall, and one of the brackets, it's slightly too small, so and it's cracked. So what I need to do is just make it slightly bigger. So what I'm going to do is I'll get you set up close to the laptop, and we'll go through the process of how I've been doing things on the laptop, and then we'll give it a go on the printer, because most of the stuff I've made already I've made on the printer in the house. So the new printer that I've recently just got, I've not really done anything at all with it, so I need to learn a bit with it, because I've actually got a part that I need to scan into it, and then I can use the part then as a prototype to use for mocking up on the milling machine. So so I'll bring it in a bit closer, just so you can see the laptop, and yeah, we'll go through how I've been doing things and where I've been getting all my 3D printing files from. So yeah, I'll bring it a bit closer. Right, at the laptop now. So down in this corner here is the 3D printing software. Now, pretty much all the files that I've got, I've gone into a search engine called Yegi, and I've pretty much got everything that I've been looking for on there. I still need to have a go at making my own stuff, whether I'm using Fusion 360 or something like that. But yeah, most of the they're called STL files, and I've been pretty much downloading what I need to download, and then I've been going into the XYZ DaVinci software, when it loads up. There we go. So that's the software I'm using, which is the XYZware. So then I've been going into import, and I've pretty much been downloading loads of stuff. So if I click on this, that's given us basically what I need. I actually need to make this um, 105%. So basically that's it there then. So then I can go into the print setting, click which printer I need, and basically press print. So now come to the printer. So at the minute it's receiving the job. So I've not done much. Well, I've not done anything with this printer at all. So what I've had to do with the glue bed, with the bed, is it's a heat bed, but they reckon the best thing to actually put on the heat bed is just like pit stick. Cover the bed in that, and that's pretty much all you need to do. So I think what I'll do is, as soon as it starts, we'll chuck it in a bit of time lapse, and then you can see how it's being built. Right, just waiting for the bed to heat up, and then once the bed's heated up, then it should start printing then. Bit of a long process on how long it takes, but yeah, it's not too bad. So what I'll do is, as it's printing, I'll probably just chuck it into some time lapse, and we'll let it do its thing. Right, it's come to the end now, that's finished. So what I do now, says on there cooling, so press the down arrow again, and it says build complete, and then it'll take it back to the bottom. So yeah, that's all finished. It took about 70 minutes to make that, which is not too bad. So yeah, that's all complete. So hopefully that should just come straight off that bed. Probably needs cooling a little bit, but yeah, that's come off. So that's come out absolutely spot on. So yeah, made up with that, hopefully. Fits sound in my battery, so that's happy days. So it fits alright. So I need to make a couple more. Right, so I need to make a couple more of these, and these can be exchanged then from the ones that are on the wall that I've cracked and split. So so yeah, what I'll do is I'll get a few more going, and then I'll cut back in on the end at the end once I've done them all. I only need another one. Yeah, another one of these, and then I want to start making some trays. So once I'm all done, what I'll do is I'll cut back in and I'll show you what I've done. So I'm still learning with this, so anything I make, it's a bit of a bonus. So yeah, get another one on the go, and then I'll cut back in at the end once I've done everything that I need to do, and I'll show you what I've done. Right, got my second one done now. Yeah, really happy with how they've turned out. So these will get put on the wall probably later on today or sometime tomorrow. But yeah, made up with how they've come out. So I've not done anything much really with this printer. So yeah, I'm happy with it like so. So yeah, just thought I'd do a Wednesday video. I'm going to try and do a couple more, maybe every 2 weeks, maybe do a Wednesday video. Continue with my Friday videos, but possibly every 2 weeks try and get in a Wednesday video if I can, depending what's going on. So yeah, that's the plan. So yeah, made up with these. I get these put on the wall. I've got a job in the printer now. What I want is the pack out tubs that you see in the Milwaukee pack out kits. They come with little tubs. What I want to do is try and print a few of them off and have a designated drawer in one of my boxes for small nuts, bolts, screws. As you can see here, this lot is just round packed. So I want to maybe get a few tubs and organise it better in my toolbox. So yeah, nice little Wednesday video, and I hope you've liked it. So I've done a bit on the printers. Well, I've done mainly a bit on the printer in the house, and I've not done much on this new one. I need to learn how to scan on it because I've got a part that I need to scan, but other than that, yeah, I'm made up like so. If you like this little video, like, subscribe, share, drop some thoughts and comments down below. Maybe you want me to 3D print something, or maybe you want me to do something, 3D print something funny, or I don't know. But yeah, drop your thoughts and comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.